Hello, how's your week been? This week has actually been really, really good. I It's been one of those busy but really productive weeks at the same time. Um, Yesterday I was looking after Ralph and he was playing with his friends, so I was watching a training video and it was about the power of webinars and it suddenly struck me that actually that's what I need to do. So I'm thinking, um, I'm not sure on the frequency yet, but I'll try and keep them fairly frequent. There'll be one for supporting times tables for the parents of younger children, one for revision for those coming up to exams, and one on becoming visible and giving your tutoring business that boost. So um, that I've now, whereas my to-do list was kind of like, it's still long, but I've condensed that aspect of it down to one sheet of paper rather than it was four pieces of paper. And and then today I was in Birmingham on a Google Ads course, which kind of like complemented it perfectly. So, but does make my to-do list longer again. But yeah, it's been a really amazing week. And obviously schools are going back, so tutoring is starting to um build up again. And I've got lots of lots of tutors now, so I'm able to give them a lot of the work, which is fantastic, which is the ultimate goal. So productive week. Hope yours has been as well. And um I'm going to go and cook my dinner. Have a great evening. Have a good week, and I'll see you soon. Take care.